Slate's little truck landed like a weird, refreshing splash of cold water in the EV pond. Cheap-ish, intentionally simple, and built to be customized by owners instead of dressed up by designers. The startup's play is straightforward. Ship one basic, no-frills electric pickup and let buyers add the personality, tech, and capability they want from an accessories ecosystem and conversion kits. It's less finished product and more blank canvas on wheels, a strategy and other outlets have been describing since Slate's debut. On first glance, the truck looks almost deliberate in its austerity. Slate calls its underpinnings the Slate board architecture, a mix of truck frame robustness and car-like unibody efficiency, and wraps it in molded, dent-resistant gray body panels that come unpainted so owners can wrap or skin the vehicle however they like. Inside, expect the surprising throwback touches, manual windows, basic knobs, and no big central touchscreen in the base spec. Those omissions aren't a bug. They're a feature in Slate's argument that complexity and gadgetry are what drove new car prices sky high. Under the sheet metal, the hardware is conventional EV stuff, but tuned to the budget-friendly brief. The single-motor rear-drive setup is rated at roughly 201 horsepower and about 195 lb-ft of torque, and the standard 52.7 kilowatt-hour battery is good for about 150 miles of range. For people who want to stretch that, an optional 84.3 kilowatt-hour pack is said to push the truck's range to around 240 miles. Slate also adopted the industry's now common NACS charging port for fast charging compatibility. Those figures make the truck eminently usable for everyday duties while keeping complexity and cost under control. The headline number everyone remembers is the price. Slate pitches the truck at roughly $27,000, and when federal EV tax credits are applied, the net cost could drop into the low $20Ks for qualifying buyers, a claim that's turned heads and provoked plenty of skepticism in equal measure. The company says production and deliveries are targeted around 2027. With some reporting suggesting 2028 for broader availability, and the project has attracted high-profile backing that's helped it stay in the headlines. Where Slate tries to make the magic happen is in the aftermarket-style approach. Over 100 accessories at launch are promised, from simple trim upgrades and audio units to full conversion kits that can turn the two-seat pickup into a five-seat SUV. No heavy structural surgery required. Slate plans to open-source some of its designs and to certify third-party installers, which could create a cottage industry of parts, wraps, lifts, and mods. That openness is exciting because it hands power back to owners, but it also raises questions about long-term reliability, safety of aftermarket conversions, and how warranty and regulatory issues will be handled. Slate's truck is intentionally provocative, a deliberate rejection of the more tech equals better car trend and an invitation for owners to choose what matters to them. If it hits its price and quality marks, this could be the most democratic new vehicle proposition in years, a new pickup that's affordable, reparable, and endlessly personalizable. If it stumbles on build quality, delivery timing, or regulatory headaches around owner-driven conversions, the idea will still be interesting. The execution will be everything.